if you take developing countries and enable people to go from a rural existence to a more urban existence, that actually lowers the carbon footprint. We tend to think of urbanization as a polluting thing, and that sometimes in the developed world, yeah, when you have more urbanization, if you don't do it in a well-planned way, it can lead to more emissions per capita. But really, when you look at the developing world, big economies like rural China, rural India, there's a tremendous benefit and reduction in greenhouse gas emissions when you go from an agrarian lifestyle to what we would consider a middle class and above lifestyle. And people get too focused on population growth. Sure, there are impacts in terms of resources with population growth, but between now and 2050, there's 3 to 4 times bigger impact, roughly, with the people who are alive today whose standard of living and level of consumption per capita is going to go up. So that's 3 to 4 times more than population growth, because they're here now, right? So the value to enabling a good energy transition with economic justice across all these segments of the human community, that's not just mom and apple pie. It's easy to naively think, oh yeah, and write it off and say, oh, business comes from. No, if you want to have a sustainable first world economy, you need to bring up the level of living of the developing world, and you can see that in how India in past decades has gone from a predominantly maybe it was like a 20% service economy to now like 50% service economy. There are economic benefits to us in America and Europe based on that fact. All the support and technologies and services that come from that service sector in an economy like India, that benefits us, our bottom line, and theirs, right? So the rising tide can float all boats, I would say.